With the new Metaverse and NFT hype, it's time to bring you a new possible top-notch game called CryptoDragons, and everything I'm about to show you will look very similar to an NFT project on Kusama, which I've covered on this channel before. But to summarize before we begin, CryptoDragons will bring you NFTs as well as a game and a marketplace for your NFTs, which will actually be the CryptoDragons themselves and any associated items with these dragons. Dragons can be obtained by reserving eggs from the Ethereum blockchain and waiting for the eggs to hatch. A random egg currently costs 0.65 Ethereum, as the initial 1000 eggs were sold for 0.55 Ethereum and 0.6. They've all been sold out. And before we begin and go into the details, for transparency, as always, this is a sponsored video, and I'd like to thank the team at CryptoDragons for doing so. Also, any information I mention in this video should not be seen as financial advice, as it's done for educational and exposure purposes only. So, what do CryptoDragons have to offer? The DNA of each dragon consists of 12,000 attributes. The result is billions of unique dragons. CryptoDragons also share 50% of all breeding earnings with legendary dragons owners. You'll also be able to battle with the dragons in the upcoming arena to win Ethereum or an NFT Dragon. CryptoDragons are starting with a 10,000 limited collection of one-of-a-kind NFT eggs. Wait till the 25th of December, and on Christmas Day your dragon will hatch from the egg, and you'll get a random Rarity dragon as well as get to keep your egg as two separate NFTs. There are 4 classes of dragons: common, rare, epic, and legendary, which are the toughest to get in terms of probability. Now, what's awesome about this is that you'll be able to breed your dragon to get an offspring and earn Ethereum by holding your legendary dragon NFT if you're lucky enough to get one, of course. You'll also be generating a passive income. You can also use your dragon to battle with other dragons in the arena, which they're due to launch. So to go through this again, this shows you how the NFT Dragon eggs look like and how the dragons that hatch from them could look like. But one important point is that when your dragon hatches, you'll also get a special airdrop as an owner. Also note that the dragons hatching from the eggs are not predetermined and are random due to the AI algorithm. What's the importance of getting a legendary dragon? The platform shares 50% of all breeding earnings with legendary dragon owners, as you can see here, and there's also a calculator which gives you a rough estimate of what you could expect to get. And here we get to see exactly what to expect. So with 0.65 ETH, there are 487 eggs left at the time of doing this video, and you get a random egg between 8,900 common dragons, 990 epic dragons, and 90 legendary dragons. So just know that there is a risk that all 487 will be common, right? To be guaranteed an epic dragon, it will cost you 15 ETH, and for a legendary one, it's 60 ETH, which is about $232,000 at the time of doing this video and at the current price of ETH. It's an insane amount of money, so not everyone can afford a legendary egg. Most people will likely get a random one. Now, here's the other benefit of owning an egg and a dragon. You will get an airdrop of the cryptocurrency for their platform called the Dragon Coin with the ticker symbol CDC. The total supply is 100 million. Their smart contract has been audited by Hacken, the auditing company. It's a token on the Ethereum network, and each owner will get a certain number of tokens. So if you have a random egg, you're guaranteed 1,200 CDC tokens, 10,000 tokens for an epic egg, and 50,000 for a legendary egg. To take a quick look at how the eggs look like, you can see they come in different shapes and colors. And remember, you get to keep the NFT egg as well as the dragon once the dragon hatches, as they become two separate NFTs. There are more types of eggs if you go to their website to have a look, by the way, which can be found in the description of this video. So let's review some more. The CryptoDragons are also governed by 9 smart contracts, interconnected with each other through the logic of NFT creation. They also use a unique language called Kassis, which you could expect to see more of in-game once it launches. Kassis derives from Kasefa, which actually means dragon. Kas means life and fire, and you can find out more about the Kassis language if you're curious straight from their website. They've actually got a dictionary and everything there. You can also battle on the blockchain in their arena when they launch, where you can win either a dragon or Ethereum as a prize if you win a battle. Now, you can breed your dragons to get billions of possible genetic combinations and buy and sell them in their marketplace, which is also due to launch soon. For their roadmap, we already know that the 25th of December is their big day when the dragons will hatch from the eggs. Also, this month in December, they've developed blockchain battles too, which can be seen in the smart contract, but it's not launched yet as we need to wait for the dragons to hatch. They'll also look at moving to an Ethereum sidechain so people can pay less for the gas fees. I sure hope they would look at Moonriver since it's an EVM compatible blockchain and they could easily port their smart contracts from Ethereum. But my assumption is that they'll probably look at Polygon first. Next year, they'll look at new Dragon games, NFTs, and new type of income for players. Now, unfortunately, the team are anonymous. All we're getting are the dragons on their website, Nari, Michael, George, and Alex. And I understand the fun behind it, but at the same time, I think the team should make themselves visible as it inspires more trust for the community. The arena is done in terms of code, but they're waiting for the dragons to hatch. So after the 25th of December, we should get more news about the arena going live. And of course, we get to see it in action. They had their smart contract address all audited by Hakan. These smart contract addresses consist of the Dragon coin, manager, Dragon token, Dragon creator, egg token, egg market, Dragon market, arena, and crossbreed. So that's quite a lot of them, but each will serve their own specific purpose and will communicate to each other. They've been in the press too, so have marketed themselves well. You can see they've been mentioned by Cointelegraph, Yahoo Finance, Bloomberg, and more. Also, one other marketing push was to get Paul Pogba, the French soccer player, involved. As you can see, he's marked his official website as CryptoDragons.com on his Twitter page in the eyes of up to 9.6 million people. You can also follow the team on Twitter and on Telegram if you wish to stay up to date with their upcoming updates. So now to give you my final thoughts. I love the idea behind CryptoDragons, and yeah, I know what you're probably thinking. They're very similar in their strategy to Remark from Kusama, with the exception of the NFTs being dragons and having a battle arena. That's what would set them apart, and of course being on Ethereum. But to get back to my point, the quality of the NFTs is awesome, so they have a good designer or designers, and I think they could do really well if they switch from Ethereum to another blockchain. And because they've mentioned it in their roadmap, it's definitely a plus, so it's definitely coming. I just wish the team could come out so everyone could see who's behind the project and to associate their LinkedIn profiles so people can do their own research on the members. And other than that, it looks awesome. And it's been well thought out in order to generate income for both the players and the team if you think about it. So let me know, what do you think about CryptoDragons? Drop me a comment below. I'm curious to get your thoughts. That's been it from today's video. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Take care.